My name is Omar Cruz. I'm a senior here at Phillip O Academy of Technology, and I'm graduating in 2022 of June. I've learned a lot here, coming from teachers, also friends. Learned a lot, taken a lot from it, and without them, I wouldn't be at the place I'm here today. I'm a happy 17-year-old mechanic. I'm in the automotive program with CPCC. I've been with CPCC for a little bit more than 2 years. I took in these opportunities to get these free courses that CMS has provided for us. And yeah, now I'm on my way to try to become an AAC certified mechanic. I started like 5 months ago at this mechanic shop. They gave me an opportunity to learn, so I took it and paint. And I always like to take opportunities they give me. And ever since then, it's better experience learning hands-on. And then hopefully one day open my own business, open my own mechanic shop or performance shop. My parents are originally from Oaxaca, Mexico, from a small town, very small town. And I was born in Atlanta, Georgia. And I was born and raised here in North Carolina. And my whole life I've been with CMS, and CMS has done great things for me. So I'm gonna be the first one in my family to go to college. My parents, unfortunately, they didn't finish school, so neither did my brothers. I'm gonna be the first generation of my family to go to university or college and hopefully graduate.